Hello everyone, let us discuss the composition of velocity or velocity addition in special theory of relativity. That is for relativistic particles, particles moving with velocity comparable to the velocity of light. For that, suppose we have two particles P and Q, and these two particles P is moving with velocity V and Q is moving with velocity U relative to an observer in S frame. Now we consider an S dash frame. This S dash frame is moving with velocity V relative to S frame. Both S is an inertial frame of reference and S dash is also a frame of reference moving with velocity V relative to the S frame. S dash is moving with velocity V means since the particle P has also the same velocity V, we can consider the particle P is fixed in the S dash frame. The particle P is fixed in the X dash frame. So, for an observer in the S frame, he can observe particle P is moving with the velocity V and the particle Q is moving with the velocity U relative to an observer in the S frame. By Newtonian mechanics, the relative velocity is only V minus U. But here in special theory of relativity, the velocity of Q relative to P means velocity of Q relative to P means the velocity of the particle Q measured by an observer in the S dash frame in which P is fixed. Okay, now we consider Lorentz transformation equation. The Lorentz transformation equations are x dash equal x minus Vt by root of 1 minus V square by C square, y dash equal y, z dash equal z and t dash equal t minus Vx by C square by root of 1 minus V square by C square. This is the x axis. The particle is S dash frame and the particles are moving along the x axis. Now the velocity of Q relative to an observer in the S frame, U equals dx by dt. Now the velocity of Q for an observer in the S dash frame, U dash equals dx dash by dt dash, where dx dash equal dx minus v dt. V is the constant velocity of the S dash frame. So, dx minus v dt by root of 1 minus v square by c square by dt dash. Dt dash is dt minus, that is differential of the time t dash, dt dash equal dt minus v dx by c square, dt minus v dx by c square divided by root of 1 minus v square by c square. Therefore, u dash equals dx minus v dt divided by dt minus v dx by c square. Now, we have to obtain the relation connecting u dash and u. So, we know u equals dx by dt. So, we divide each term of numerator and denominator by dt. So, it becomes dx by dt minus v, dt by dt 1 divided by 1 minus v by c square into dx by dt. That is dx by dt is u, that is u minus v divided by 1 minus uv by c square. That is the velocity of u relative to an observer in the S dash frame. S dash frame is moving with velocity v in which the particle P is fixed. So, u dash is the velocity of the particle Q for an observer in the with respect to the particle P. So, this is the velocity measured by an observer in the S dash frame, or this is the velocity of Q relative to P. Now since u and v are very small compared to the velocity of light, u is very much less than c, v is very much less than c. So uv by c square is very much less than 1. So u dash equal u minus v. That is the relativistic law of addition of this is the relativistic law of addition of velocities, and this is the velocity, relative velocity according to Newtonian mechanics. Now in order to obtain u is the proper velocity, u dash is the velocity, relative velocity of q with respect to p, and u is the proper velocity of q. So to find the proper velocity, we can simplify this equation 1. So u dash, on cross multiplying we get denominator, when multiplied to u dash we get u dash minus u dash uv by c square equal u minus v. Now this v on bringing to left hand side we got u dash plus v equals this term u dash uv by c square we bring to the right hand side. So this is on taking u common, u plus 1 plus u dash v by c square. So u equals u dash plus v divided by 1 plus u dash v by c square. This is the proper velocity of q and u dash is the relative velocity of q. This is the relativistic law of addition of velocity or composition of velocities. In Newtonian mechanics, it is simply the relative velocity u minus v if they are travelling in the same direction. But in relativity, the velocity of q relative to p is the velocity of q measured by an observer in the s dash frame, where this s dash frame is moving with a velocity v and the particle p is fixed in the s dash frame. So these are the composition of velocities. This is the relative velocity and this is the proper velocity. So in order to find the relative velocity of one particle with respect to the other, we use this concept in the relativity theory. Let us do a problem. Spacecraft alpha is moving at 0.9 c with respect to the earth. If the spacecraft beta is to pass alpha at a relative speed of 0.5 c in the same direction, what speed must beta have with respect to the earth? Here we have the spacecraft alpha and the spacecraft beta. The data given is spacecraft alpha is moving at 0.9 c with respect to the earth. That is, the velocity of spacecraft alpha with respect to the earth is 0.9 c. Now the spacecraft beta is to pass alpha at a relative speed of 0.5 c. That is, velocity of beta with respect to alpha is 0.5 c. That is, here we have alpha and beta. Alpha can be considered as the particle p and beta can be considered as the particle q. That is, the particle p can be considered as the s dash frame. That is, the alpha particle is fixed in the s dash frame and that s dash frame is moving with velocity 0.9 c. So that is the velocity of s dash frame, v equals 0.9 c. And we have velocity of beta with respect to alpha, means velocity of q with respect to p, that is velocity of q with respect to s dash frame, that is u dash, can be marked as 0.5 c. We have to find the proper velocity of beta, that is the velocity of beta with respect to the earth. Proper velocity is u, that is we have to find out u. So u equals u dash plus v divided by 1 plus u dash v by c square. U dash is 0.5 c plus 0.9 c divided by 1 plus 0.5 into 0.9 c square by c square. That is equals 0.97 times c, where c is the velocity of light. That is, the beta spacecraft beta has to travel with a velocity of 0.97 c with respect to the earth in order to pass alpha at a relative speed of 0.5 c in the same direction. So, here on looking into the problem, we have to identify whether the spacecraft alpha is the S frame or whether the spacecraft beta is the S frame. So, here from the problem it is clear that Earth is the inertial frame S and the spacecraft alpha and the spacecraft beta are moving with respect to Earth, and the velocity of spacecraft alpha with respect to the Earth is given as 0.9 c. So, we take v as 0.9 c, and the relative speed of beta with respect to alpha, that we taken as u dash equal 0.5 c. So, we have to find the proper velocity of beta. The proper velocity of beta can be find out using the composition of velocities u, and we got the value 0.97.